I do want to just show you today we are under a code orange now. It was updated since the level still remaining elevated. The worst of it happening right now. Some areas with code red levels. Most of that is off to our west towards the Triad, but I did notice an area up to our north near Northampton County just with some higher levels as well. So code orange, and then tomorrow making improvements code yellow, and so hopefully that holds as well. But we're going to have those winds out of the south, and that's going to be able to help us out. Let's look around the state, and you can see just how smoky it is there in Greensboro, and even parts of Wilmington. It's smoky in Charlotte, and a little bit there in the mountains. But let's look around here in central North Carolina. Definitely hazy around, but we've got the sunshine today. 85 degrees in Cary, 82 in Chapel Hill with those mainly clear skies. Here's the look at the smoke particles right over the region. Certainly dense through about tomorrow morning. Things should start to improve as we get into the afternoon, as you can see that here Friday evening. Maybe some lingering smoke and haze, but otherwise we are going to be making improvements. So our next weather maker, some storms which will arrive in our area here tomorrow evening off to the west in the southern Ohio Valley. And you can see this warm front basically riding an upper level ridge down to the south, which is just baking the central plains. And you can see here we've got a high pressure, and that's keeping us nice and quiet here today. Winds out of the northeast. We're around that high, keeping us a little cooler. At least the dew points are remaining still a little lower. So it's still a little humid, but it's not like what we're going to see come this weekend. Here's a look at temperatures from top to bottom. We're in the low 80s in South Hill, upper 70s in Roxborough, upper 70s in Henderson, temperatures in the low to mid 80s, basically across the board here this afternoon. The high today should be around 90. A good day to go outside and find the pool to cool off. But just know with that code orange air quality alert, if you are sensitive to air pollution, just take it easy outdoors, limit time outside, maybe even consider wearing a mask. The UV index is high as we've got that sunshine, and it will certainly burn you fast. Make sure you put on the sunscreen. Look at the temperatures already in parts of Oklahoma. 90 already, 94 in Little Rock, Arkansas, 93 there in Jackson, Mississippi. And this, we'll see those 90s heading into the weekend. That summer heat wave getting ready to enter into the Carolinas by tomorrow. This upper ridge is just going to shift eastward, and we're going to see that heat. Look at this. Saturday 92, Sunday 96. The blues are the afternoon high temperatures, 96 on Monday. What it's really going to feel like, though, when we factor in the dew points, that moisture, you can see triple digits over that heat advisory threshold of 105. Likely to see those heat advisories issued this weekend, so stay tuned for that. Take it easy. Do not overdo it outside. Drink plenty of water. When you think you haven't had enough water, drink more, because your body's going to need it this weekend. 7 p.m. here tomorrow, we can see an isolated shower storm pop up, and then a line of storms will come through late Friday night, and you can see that there. Looks like it breaks apart in our latest model runs. Mainly dry Saturday morning. Storms coming back into play, though. You can see into the afternoon, evening, more showers and storms will move through. We are under the level 1 threat of severe storms, mainly from Raleigh westward here on Friday evening, and then also on Saturday. Level 1 threat includes almost all of central North Carolina into the afternoon, evening, so keep an eye on that. Tracking the tropics, quiet in the Atlantic right now, just watching a little disturbance just south of Bermuda as a 20% chance, low chance of development over the next 7 days. Of course, we will watch that closely for you. 90s as you continue to see through the weekend, mid to upper 90s, late weekend into early next week. July 4th, 93, hot, humid, daily storm chances.